Hi friend, today I showed you the noise of the tappet, how to confirm the noise or sound of the tappet. I have showed you in the live video. It is also having the 4-cylinder engine where I have showed you the indication. This lever will be not operated as per the system, and other 3 tappets has been operated properly. So when this will be not operated, then sound will be changed from this tappet. This is the process for checking the knowledge of the or sound of the tappet. This is the process for the checking the sound of the tappet. Then this is the process for the confirming the tappet sound. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technician for taking the knowledge of the sound of the tappet. Thank you.